In real estate, there are so many properties that you can invest in. First, let me tell you the type of properties that we have in Kenya. Mostly, what you people know is the residential properties that so many people have seen in our channel. There is also the commercial part of properties, the industrial part of properties, and the vacational part of properties. In residential part, you are getting something like these: apartments, bungalows, mansions, villas, townhouses, and any other subgroup of properties that can be used for residential purposes. Commercial spaces include business spaces, office spaces, and store spaces. If you want to invest in something else like industrial investment, you can invest in godown and warehouses. And if that is not your cup of tea, you can always invest in vacational real estate. In that sector, we have cottages, cabins, and Airbnbs. Today we are in Westlands. To be specific, we are on the Kileleshwa side, and it has only taken us 6 minutes from the CBD to get to these premises. If you travel a lot, you are already sure that so many developers have invested heavily in residential properties around this area. This is a typical 3-bedroom, and as you can see from there, it is very beautiful. On this development, we still have 1 all the way to 4-bedroom units. But in the past, we have shown you 3-bedroom apartments and 1-bedroom apartments. Today we are going to show you a typical 4-bedroom apartment, and you'll get an idea of what you can get if you invest on this side of town. In this development, the 1-bedrooms are starting from 79 square meters, the 2-bedrooms are starting from 96 square meters, the 3-bedrooms are starting from 180 square meters, and the 4-bedrooms are starting from 251 square meters. This is the price list. The 1-bedroom apartment has a starting price of 7.5 million. The 2-bedroom apartments are starting from 9.6 million Kenya shillings. The 3-bedroom apartments are starting from 19 million Kenya shillings. And a 4-bedroom with a DSQ like this one is starting from 23 million Kenya shillings. When you look at these units, you'll understand that the price is very fair, and the developer has worked very hard to make sure that these units are actually very well done. We'll start from the beginning, and you'll have an idea of how each unit will look like. From the entrance, which is this one, I like it first because it is a smart lock. It comes with cameras outside, and from here you can see everyone who is peeping or everyone who is knocking to your door. On this side, you are getting a small foyer, and this one is separating the entrance area from the dining, which is on the other side. As you can see, it has been done very well. I like that you are getting some cabinetry here for the shoes. You have some spaces for your decorations, and you have this area that has been left for your coats. This is the typical 4-bedroom with an SQ and a study. And on this side, you are getting the study. It has been done very well. I like how the developer included all these small fixtures that are improving the beauty of this space. The study has been done very well, and this is where you can enjoy your newspaper in the morning just to know how everything is going on in this country. The study area is just next to the living room. The living room is big enough to fit a 7-seater couch like this one, or a slightly bigger couch. From there, you are witnessing the openness of this space, and this is very, very important, especially for the modern families who like an open floor plan unit. Here we are at the living room. The living room is opening to the dining area and the kitchen on that side. And on my far front, you have the study that I just showed you. This is the focal point. The developer has done it very well. I like it that you are getting a space big enough for your 85-inch TV. You have this cabinetry for your decorations, and you have this other cabinetry that can be used for all your other electronics. On my far front, the living area is opening to the dining area, and the space has been prepared to fit a 5-seater dining set like this one, but the space is bigger for a bigger dining set. If you are rich, you must know one thing, that you must love coffee or wine. Right now, we have a wine cellar here, big enough for your 6 or 7 wine bottles. This one is called Pitinto, and it was brewed. Is it brewing? Or it was canned? I don't know. I don't know what people do to wines, but it was done in 2021. I am from the village. If you want to know anything about tea, I'll tell you. But this one is not for me. Behind me, you have the kitchen of this unit, big enough for all your kitchen activities. You are getting a Bolesi 5-burner cooktop here. You are also getting a Bolesi heat extractor. The cabinetry has been done very well, and the partitions are magnificent. On this side, you have your sink area. It is a double sink that comes with a tilting faucet, and this tilting faucet can also give you water from this other side for you to rinse your fruits and some of your utensils. This is the refrigerator area, big enough to fit a double door like this one. And on my far front, you have a hallway that is taking you to the bedroom areas. The unit comes with a massive balcony. From there, you can see that the space is big enough for you and your family. You can do 2 or 3 chairs here, and you'll enjoy the best sunset. On the far end of the balcony, you have the laundry area. Let's see it. The laundry area is sufficient for a normal family. You have a space for your washer and dryer, a platform for you to wash your dirty garments, and you have an industrial sink just to make sure you can wash the tiny things like socks and handkerchiefs. The laundry area also comes with this section where you can do all your detergents. I'll take you back to the main units. A 4-bedroom is always very ideal for a big family, but I know most of you keep asking me, Mungai Kihara, can I get a studio, a 1-bedroom, a 2-bedroom? Yes, we will attach the videos of those in the description below or at the end of this video. If you want to get more details about this unit and many more, make sure you visit our website africanrealestate.com, and that's where you will interact with all the properties that are on sale in this area. If you want to see the shorter version of this video, make sure you check out our TikTok and our Instagram, African Real Estate. As I mentioned earlier, this is the hallway that is taking you to the bedroom areas. You have the common washroom or the cloakroom. This is the first bedroom. The second bedroom is here. The third is on my far front, and behind me you have the primary or the master bedroom. This space has been done very well. You are getting a vanity, a WC at the center, and you have your shower cubicle. Why the cloakroom has a shower cubicle is because it is shared by the third bedroom, which is not ensuite. The first bedroom is here. I'm loving how the developer has furnished this space. It has been done very well. You have a space here at the center where you can do your 4x6 bed like this one, or a bigger bed, and you'll still get some spaces here and there for your side drawers. Behind me you have the closet of this bedroom. It has been done very well. I like the partition, 2 drawers down there, and you still have some spaces up there. This one has been partitioned for your foldable clothes. This bedroom comes with its bathroom on this side. It is a replica to other bathrooms that you'll see in the other bedrooms. The bedroom comes with a massive window, and I like the height of the ceilings just to make sure that everything is very airy. Let's see the second bedroom. The second bedroom is slightly wider but slightly shorter than the first one. I like it that the same concept has been applied to this unit. You are getting your closet here. This is the headboard. It has been improved just to make sure that you are getting maximum beauty. And on my far right, you have the bathroom. This bedroom also comes with its balcony on this side, and the washroom has been done very well with a towel holder, a WC at the center, a shower cubicle on this side, and a vanity on my left hand side. The third bedroom is the tiniest, and it is the bedroom that is sharing the washroom with the common powder room. From here, you can understand that this bedroom is targeting the tiny kids or your small children. You have the closet there. The closet is of a standard size, and behind me you have the balcony to this bedroom. Why you need a balcony in such a tiny room, I have no idea. The primary bedroom is here. It is the biggest. It has been done better than all the other bedrooms. Let's see it. From there, you can agree with me that the room is slightly bigger than the other 3 bedrooms that we saw. The headboard area has also been modified just to make sure that it is very, very beautiful. The ceiling heights are very high, and the closet is here. It is not the biggest. I'm not very sure it will be big enough for you and your partner, but if you do not have so much appetite of shopping, the space is big enough. Right now we have some clothes here. They are just a show house clothes, but interesting, very beautiful. This bedroom comes with its dresser on my far right, and on my far left you have the primary bathroom. The primary balcony is the biggest. It has been done very well, and it is giving you breathtaking views of Kileleshwa locality. This area is still very green, and it has not been populated by the modern skyscrapers that your governors approved. From the balcony, let's see the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is the biggest, adopting a similar concept to all the other bathrooms that we saw earlier. You have a shower cubicle here, slightly bigger, big enough to fit 2 people, and you have a double towel holder. You also have a socket just to make sure your shaving machines are fully charged. We have come to the end of the tour. We have not shown the 2 bedroom, the 1 bedroom, and the 3 bedrooms. If you would want to purchase any of them and you want to see the videos first, make sure you check up here at the end of the video or check the description box. That's all for today. We will see you in the next video, and if you want to purchase any of these units, make sure you call us in the number attached in the first comment.